Hey guys, so do you think it's a good idea to pay $30 for the new Under Armour Sport face masks? Let's unbox it and see what they've got inside. Is it worth it or not? So don't go anywhere and keep watching. Salam my friends, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV. This is gonna be the second video on the review series on my YouTube channel. So if this is the first time watching my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. Apart from the reviews, I post vlogs and also lots of tutorials. So if you're into editing, videography and photography, make sure to check those out as well. So about 2 months ago, Under Armour officially released their sport face masks, but they are up for pre-ordering. I ordered mine about like a month ago and it just got delivered like 2 days ago. So right now if you go to the website, they have variety of colors as well as sizes, so make sure that you get the right size. I got the medium. We're gonna open and see if it fits. And but the thing is, you have to pre-order it and they are going to be shipping it by September 4th if you order it today. So the demand is high. If you are going to be interested by the end of this video, make sure that you're ordering yours ASAP. Alright, so let's open it and see what they've got inside it for us. Alright, so inside the package I have the receipt. So once you take it out of the package, you're gonna see a note that this is a non-medical face mask. So you have to consider this. And over here you see the size that you ordered. Mine is medium large, as you can see over here. And on the back side there is like some details about the manufacturing process and the material that have been used to make this face mask. And yeah, over here you see the price, $30. So let's open it and see what else they've got inside it for us. Alright, so once you open it, you'll have the mask itself and a bag that you can literally carry on your face mask whenever you're not using it. And there's a note in here on how to properly put on your mask, how to wash it, and how to store it in its bag. Right, the bag has really soft material. Yeah, it's really soft. And over here you can put in your name if you're like in a team. And let's take a look at the mask itself. Alright, so it has a really soft fabric. It feels good. It has a really soft material. So the outside layer is water resistant and the inside layer has ISO chill, I think, technology. Yeah, let me put it here. Yeah, so it kind of feels cool and at the same time it's really breathable. So if you're running on the treadmill or you're like working out really hard, it's not going to be hard for you to breathe like the regular face mask, especially the surgical ones that you put on. It gets really hard sometimes to breathe the fresh air inside. Based on the user manual over here, the proper way of putting it back in the bag, you just have to kind of fold these inside just like this and just hold the bag, put it here like this and just push it in. And you're good to go. You have your cute Under Armour Sport face mask. Okay, let me just try it on. Let's see if it's really comfortable. So I ordered medium size. Hopefully it's not gonna be loose. Alright, where is it? Yeah. Oh, it feels good. So it's really breathable, the material is really comfortable and soft. Nose piece over here that makes it super tight, and the fabric that it has on top makes sure that there are no gaps between your face and the mask itself. So it's super tight, and at the same time it's really breathable and it's comfy, and I'm really satisfied with the size. I mean, I ordered medium as expected. It's tight, it's not loose at all. The fabrics that they have over here is really stretchy, but at the same time it's high quality material, so you don't feel like it's just going to be ripping apart. So I really like how this really looks dope. I mean, I like the way that it looks on my face. And one of the good things that I just noticed about this face mask is that there is a huge gap between the mask and your skin. So it's kind of easier to breathe in air, especially when you're kind of running and doing like hardcore workouts. The proper way of kind of having them clean is just make sure you have them in the bag and wash them frequently using warm water and by hand only. It's not recommended to put it in the washing machine, but I mean, over time all of us get lazy and we just toss it in the washing machine. So just make sure that you take good care of these cute and cool looking face mask. I'm really happy with the quality of the material that they've been using in here, and even over here you have a spot that you can kind of have your name on it. So my honest opinion, $30 is not cheap for a face mask, but if you're doing sports as a profession or you're like doing sports and go to the gym on a regular basis, I would definitely recommend having these masks because first of all, it looks really cool. The material is really, I mean, come on, the quality of the material is really good. You can tell. I mean, as soon as you start touching the material and you put it on your face, it feels really comfy and it's really decent. So it's gonna stay for you like for a long time. It's not like some cheap mask that you're just gonna be using it for a month and then toss them. The demand is super high, and even if you order it today, it's gonna take a while until they are able to ship it to you. So let me know below in the comments if you think this is a good idea to have a sport mask, the Under Armour ones. If you already have those, let me know if you're happy with those, and if you're any type of questions about these masks, let me know below in the comments. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. By the way, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I post lots of short videos during my day over there, so it's easier to get in touch and kind of stay updated. So until the next video, please guys, wear a mask, stay safe, and see you. Did I say thanks for watching? Oh, if I didn't, thank you for watching. Now you can go. Bye bye.